Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got a 12 by 12 canvas in front of me with white house paint. I'm going to try myself a bloom tilt. We'll see how it works. I've taken the course. I've done one or two paintings with pretty good success, and I'm just going to keep practicing until I get amazing. Alrighty, I've got some of the Bling It series from the Color Arts Primary Elements. Some of the colors picked. One of them is Bellagio Blue and Crushed Velvet. I've got a couple of Amsterdam paints as well, which is the Permanent Blue Violet and the Greenish Blue. These are from the Standard series from Amsterdam. And my yellow I'm going to be putting in is Cadmium Yellow Hue Artist Loft. There you go. There's a quick rundown of my colors. And let's get to it. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much, you guys. I really do appreciate it. All the thumbs up, all the comments means the world to me. I gotta stop talking because my paint's gonna run right off my canvas. Obviously, my table's not level. All right, let's do this. Greg's gonna put some music on for you. I hope you enjoy. And again, thanks very much for joining me, everyone.
My mama told me I should beware. I'll tell you a story about mean people who take use of innocent girls. Don't mean to scare you, but be careful. Maybe think twice before you walk alone. Call somebody to take you home. Look over your shoulder when you go that way. This world might take you to a bad, bad place. Remember you told me things your mama said. She never gave you enough affection. Let you run around. She didn't know you're bound to feel alone and such neglection. You may feel the need to fix the past you need and show overlovingness. Feed you, feed me, pushes me further. World full of bad, I can't take much longer. Hold tight, you'll see I'm right. I don't tell you nothing just to mess with your mind. Don't be cold and act like you know some things, my child, make us all feel small. Remember you told me I should watch out. You see not I will have good intentions. So keep your eyes stretched and sharp your senses. I'm terrified that you'll lose direction. Just hold tight, you'll see I'm right. I don't tell you nothing just to mess with your mind. Don't be cold and act like you know some things, my child, make us all feel small. Take this mark back to where it came from. Leave me out, this is not mine. To carry with me through my life. Hope these scars can heal with time. Hold tight, you'll see I'm right. I don't tell you nothing just to mess with your mind. Don't be cold and act like you know some
beauty of humanity ain't always enough.